British monarchy is the constitutional form of government by which a hereditary sovereign reigns as the head of state of the United Kingdom, the Crown Dependencies, and the British Overseas Territories. The current British monarchy can trace its lineage back to the Anglo-Saxon period. The name of the British royal family was changed to Windsor by King George V in 1917. As head of state, the monarch undertakes constitutional and representational duties that have developed over 1,000 years. The sovereign acts as a focus of national identity, unity, and pride. It is necessary to understand that the monarchy is not simply a harmless anachronism with no powers. The Queen has significant reserved powers which can be brought into play during a national crisis. The army swears an oath of allegiance to the ruling monarch, not the elected parliament. The Queen's signature is necessary before any decision of parliament becomes law. At such a moment, when the reserved powers of the monarchy are finally wheeled out, the monarchy must command the unswerving disobedience of a large part of society. Above all things, our royalty is to be reverenced. And if you begin to poke about it, you cannot reverence it. When there is a select committee on the Queen, the charm of royalty will be gone. Its mystery is its life. We must not let in daylight upon magic. We must not bring the Queen into the combat of politics, or she will cease to be reverenced by all combatants. She will become one combatant among many.
1992.